places it's already December the 5th. So welcome to the channel. And today we want to talk about a video that I did some 3 years ago. This video that is now playing on the screen, I did it some 3 years ago, and at the time I had decided to do something on religion. So I got some mail today that says that everything that I said on this mail was wrong. So I just want to read that email together. Then you see how enriching a language goes. So this is the video that we posted. I think we posted it in 2019. Yeah, April 13th, 2019. Those times still using paper. So today we got email, and the mail say that we have been wrong all along. We've been wrong all along. So I just want to read the email for you so that what happens. What was written, they said, "You are very wrong in your translations of Luo words in religion. There is no Luo word for religion or dini. The Luo word for God is Piny and not Sai. The Sai was a corruption of a Luo word for a shrine. When the colonialists got to the Luo communities, they asked the Luos, Ngama no Chuoi." I hope she meant Ngama no Chuoi. Ngama no Chuoi. And those were the Luo in the mountains. All the potteries they were using were made by Nyar Saye, someone called Saye, daughter of Sai, Nyakach. Obongo is a Luo word of an only child. So when the Mzungu cheated the Luo that Jesus Christ of Nazareth, who didn't exist, was the only Son of God, naturally, Luo perceived it as Obongo. All other subsequent translations you've presented today are wrong. In any case, what is Christianity? Can the Luo be a Christian? If three brothers sailed from Europe to Africa, one to capture Africa as slaves for free labor, second one to steal our natural resources, and the other one preach the word of God, but they some benevolent missionaries or outright criminals? Your video is a perfect product of a colonized and corrupt mind in polite language. So this is someone called Okelo Jaramba, Nairobi, Kenya. He thinks that my video was corruption. And that is what I wanted to share with you guys today. And that is, I hope, forget about the Christianity part. I think what I really wanted to talk about is this part where he says, Luo in the mountains and all the potteries what they were using were made by Nyar Saye. So Nyar Saye Nyakach. There's a place in Nyakach called Saye. So the potteries were made by Nyar Saye. Okay? Then Obongo, the Luo word for an only child. I think those are the only learning points. The rest is just he's just babbling around because he hates Christianity. But anyway, the learning point is Bongo is a Luo word for an only child, and Nyasai comes from the word Nyar Sai Nyakach, or lady from Sai. This was a short video. I just wanted to introduce this and tell you that sometimes we get mail that is very rough on us, but that's fine. That is how we build the language. I hope you have a great one and you share the video with the rest. What do you think? You can comment on the video.